Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one Apex trigger scenario in Salesforce. The scenario is where an account record is created, then assign the billing address field value to shipping address field value in Salesforce. So follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in your Salesforce credential or then open developer console and create Apex class trigger file on account. Then create trigger handle class. Here we will be updating same record of account from billing address to shipping address if a status checkbox is checked. So here a status checkbox we will be using custom checkbox. This is a screenshot of billing address field of account in Salesforce. There is a checkbox of a status. This is a custom checkbox. Whenever you just click on the checkbox, if gets true, then we will be update billing address to shipping address. So this is a screenshot of the shipping address field of account in Salesforce. I will be fill all of the field in billing address like billing street, billing city, billing jeep, billing state, and billing country. So all of the fields value of billing address, we will be update the shipping address. So all of the billing address field value, we will be update to the shipping address billing value. So friends, now let me jump to my Salesforce org where we will be create address class trigger and we will be update from billing address to shipping address in the address class trigger. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. Simply go to the setup, open developer console from here. I already opened my developer console. This is the code that is created in the last lesson. Here I am removing all of the code because here I am creating new fresh code. After that, go to account trigger handler. This code I written in the previous lesson. Here I am removing all of the code. So first we will be create method public static void. Write the name of the method billing to shipping. This is the name of the method billing to shipping bracket and curly bracket. Here pass the list of the account. ACC list. So ACC list hold list of the record of account. Then apply for loop. Inside the for loop, write account. Name of the variable ACC colon pass account list because this is the list of account. Then here I will be check a condition. The condition is if checkbox is checked, then we will be update billing address to shipping address. So friends, before assigning the billing address to shipping address, first we will be write a condition. If checkbox is checked, then we will be update the value. So write a condition if and inside the if condition we will be check the status. If a status is equal to true, then we will be assign the value. So go to the account. There is a option open account data here from here. So all data. Then search here status because the checkbox field is a custom. So from here I will be get the API name of the status. So search here status. This is a status. This is a custom field that is a boolean type. Copy the name of the field. Go to developer console. If status double equal to true. So whenever user check marks the checkbox, then we will be assign the billing address value to shipping address. So now I am assigning the billing address to shipping address. Here we will be get billing street, billing city, billing zip, billing country. So if user checkbox the checkbox, then this value will be updated to the shipping address here. Here we will be get all of the field value of the shipping address and billing address. So such shipping, this is the name of the shipping field value, shipping city, shipping country, shipping postal code. So first we will be update shipping address. So account dot shipping address equal to, so billing address will be assigned to the shipping address. So now let me copy account, then billing address, this one. Same account dot shipping city, this one, equal to assign account billing city, account dot billing city, then account dot shipping country, this one, equal to account dot billing country. After that, account dot shipping postal code equal to account dot billing postal code. After that, account dot shipping state equal to account dot billing state, account dot shipping street equal to account dot billing street. So friends, here I am assigning billing address to the shipping address. So this is a billing address, this is a shipping address. When I update the billing address and save the record, shipping address will be automatically populated. Now save the file. There are error 5 and 6 line. Let me check. Variable does not exist status. Here I am getting error status because here I need to assign account dot status, not single status. So syntax here wrong. Account dot status equal to true. Then I got another one error, shipping address. The shipping address not writable. So remove from line 6. Then save the file. File has been saved successfully. So friends, here I am updating shipping address from billing address of account. So friends, now let me go to the account trigger. Here I will be called this account handler and method to the trigger. So friends, here I am populating the billing address to the shipping address in account. Here I will be write before insert if trigger is before and trigger is insert. Then we will be called the Apex class controller and method. The Apex class controller name is account trigger handler. Copy the name and pass here. Dot the name of the method billing to shipping. Copy and paste here. Then bracket, and inside the bracket we will be pass trigger.new. So in the method here I am passing list of account. This is the account list parameter. So instead of the account of list parameter, we will be pass trigger.new. Trigger.new, because trigger.new always return list of the current session of record ID. So here I am inserting a record of account and populating the value from billing address to shipping address. So here I am checking the condition. If status is checked true, then we will be populate billing address to shipping address automatically through Apex Trigger. Now let me save the file. File has been saved successfully. Now let me go to the account object where we will be create new record of account. So friends, this is the account. So here I am creating new record of account. Click on the new button. Write the name of the account. So here I am writing the name of the account. Take W3 Wave 9. Take W3 Wave 9. And here I am writing the billing address. So billing address is, suppose I am writing plot number 501, Greater Noida, billing city Noida, billing zip 201301, billing state UP, billing country India. I am leaving the shipping address as it is. So when I click on the save button, one record will be created and this billing city, all of the field value will be automatically populated to the shipping address. Condition is if status is checked. See if my status is checked, then criteria are fulfilled and this billing address will be automatically populated to the shipping address. So now let me save the record. Record has been saved successfully. Now let me check. Here you can see billing address and shipping address. Both are same value. If you edit the record, you will be get billing address same to the shipping address, billing city same to the shipping city, billing zip same to the shipping zip, and state are same, country are same. Let me create another one record of account. In this case, I do not check the checkbox of status. Here I am writing the name of the account. Take W3 Wave 10. Take W3 Wave 10. I am leaving as it is all of the field value. Here I do not check mark the checkbox. So if user do not check the checkbox, the criteria are not fulfilled and this billing address do not populate in the shipping address. So now let's write the billing address and all of the field value. So let's billing state is plot number 601. New Delhi, city is Delhi. Zip code 900201. Billing state Delhi and billing country is India. Now I am leaving the checkbox. That means if you do not check mark the checkbox, this value of the billing address do not populate because criteria are not fulfilled. Now let me save the record. Record has been saved successfully. Take W3 Wave 10. Let me check. Here you can see billing address are populated but shipping address not populated because in the account trigger handler before populating the value I created condition. If account status equal to true, then we will be update the value from billing to shipping of account. So here I created two record. Once record I check mark the checkbox status, then populate all of the value. In the second record, I do not check mark the checkbox of status value. So in this case, billing address do not populate to the shipping address. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal or if you getting anything of issue, please write in comment box. To get more related video of the Salesforce, go to the YouTube, search TechW3 Wave, then click here, go to the videos and here you will be get so many live demo example of video. Here I created real-time scenario based on working on the office. So here you will be get Salesforce Lightning Aura component, Visual Force page, Salesforce LWC, Lightning Flow Builder, and here so many video you will be get that is working in office in live project. If you subscribe my channel, your project working will be very easy. So friends, like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you so much.